My dear students, we discussed the lesson number 6, major landforms of the earth. In this lesson, we discussed mountains and plateaus, plains and landforms and the people. Today we are going to discuss the exercises, and first number exercise and question number 1 is answer the following questions briefly. First question is, what are the major landforms? I am writing the direct answers on the green board. You will write the questions from the textbook. Okay? Answer is mountains, plateaus and plains are the three major types of landforms. We discussed in the textbook mountains, three types mountains, fold mountains, block mountains and the volcanic mountains. And also we discussed plateaus. A plateau is an elevated flat land. And we discuss plains. Plains are large stretches of flat land. So mountains, plateaus and plains are the three major types of landforms. This is the answer of A. Next, B. What is the difference between a mountain and a plateau? On page number 40, we discussed a mountain is any natural elevation of the earth surface. The mountains may have a small summit and a broad base. It is considerably higher than the surrounding area. Some mountains are even higher than the clouds. As you go higher, the climate becomes colder. But in briefly, we will write a mountain is any natural elevation of the earth. And page number 42, we discussed a plateau is an elevated flat land. So the answer is a mountain is any natural elevation of the earth surface and a plateau is an elevated flat land. So answer of B is a mountain is any natural elevation of the earth surface. A plateau is an elevated flat land. Next question number C is, what are the different types of mountains? What are the different types of mountains? On page number 41, we discussed that there are three types of mountains: fold mountains, block mountains and the volcanic mountains. So the answer is there are three types of mountains: fold mountains, block mountains and the volcanic mountains. There are three types of mountains. There are three types of mountains: fold mountains, block mountains and the volcanic mountains. Okay. Next question is D. How are mountains useful to man? How are mountains useful to man. On page number 41, we discussed that mountains are very useful. The mountains are a storehouse of water. Many rivers have their source in the glaciers in the mountains. Reservoirs are made and the water is harnessed for the use of people. Water from the mountains is also used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. The river valleys and terraces are ideal for cultivation of crops. Mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. The forests provide fuel, fodder, shelter, and other products like gum, resins, etc. Mountains provide an idyllic site for tourists. They visit the mountains for their scenic beauty. Several sports like paragliding, hang gliding, river rafting, and skiing are popular in the mountains. So, the correct answer in briefly, we will write mountains are a storehouse of water. Many rivers have their source in the glaciers in the mountains. Water from the mountains is also used for irrigation and generation of hydroelectricity. We discussed the answer of D. Today we discussed the exercises, and in exercise first we discuss answer the following questions briefly. A, B, C and D. A. What are the major landforms? Answer is on board. B. What is the difference between a mountain and a plateau? Answer is on the green board. Question C is what are the different types of mountains? Question is written on green board. And question D is how are mountains useful to man? The answer is written on green board briefly. So we have discussed A, B, C and D. In the next video we will discuss E, F, G and next tick the correct answers and fill in the blanks. So I hope you have understood the answers very well of this lesson. The lesson is very important from the view of exam. The topic major landforms of the earth, and it also very useful for our awareness and to increase our general knowledge. Many facts are given here in do you know? Do you know? First is a hill is a land surface that rises higher than the surrounding area. Generally, a steep hill with an elevation of more than 600 meters is termed as a mountain. So, if examiner asks what is a mountain, we will write a steep hill with an elevation of more than 600 meters is termed as a mountain. Very important question. So there is a difference between hill and mountain. A steep hill with an elevation of more than 600 meters is termed as a mountain. Okay. In next, on page number 41, do you know Mauna Kea, Hawaii in the Pacific Ocean is an undersea mountain. Write any one an undersea mountain, then the answer will go Mauna Kea, Hawaii in the Pacific Ocean is an undersea mountain. Undersea mountain, it is higher than Mount Everest being 10,205 meters high. Okay, and next we have discussed in the next page. Do you know Swachh Bharat mission? Healthy mind lives in healthy body, and for a healthy body, clean environment, particularly clean water, air and hygienic surroundings are prerequisites. Swachh Bharat Mission, a Government of India program, aims to achieve all these for people. So today we have answered the 4 questions A, B, C and D. In the next video we will answer the next questions and discuss the all types questions and answers. Keep continue with me. Thank you.